Global Literature English 2110 Final Project by Edith Dumaine. Megan Boudreau is the author of the book that I chose for my final project. She's a Louisiana native and the founder of Respire Haiti. She's married to Josh Anderson, and together they have adopted 4 Haitian children, and they have a daughter of their own. This is her in the picture by herself. And then in the center picture is her and her husband, their child that he's holding, and their 3 adopted children. Miracle on Voodoo Mountain is the book that I have chosen. It is a memoir of Megan's time in Glacier, Haiti. Most of the book takes place on Voodoo Mountain, otherwise known as Bellevue Mountain. The book is about Megan Boudreau's leaving everything she knows behind to follow God's calling to Haiti at the young age of 24. She didn't know the plan when she left, and she blindly followed God's calling. She has provided aid to many children in Haiti. They have set up a whole community where they have a nonprofit called Respire Haiti. In the book, it talks about how they have bought 6 acres now on Voodoo Mountain that has a school and a medical clinic, and they feed the children there and help get them clothed. I really enjoyed this book, and I would recommend it to anyone. I learned a lot about Haitian culture, and reading the book made me want to know more about it. So, Haitians speak something called Creole, and it is a French and African mix. Their diet is mostly vegetables, and their main way of life would be agriculture. A lot of their religions have voodoo practices in some shape or form, even if it's not just voodoo. Even their Christian practices, some of them still have voodoo rituals that they've put in their beliefs. Haiti is also right in the Hurricane Alley area, and so there's a lot of natural disasters, floods, and earthquakes that happen there. It makes the soil and plants not able to grow properly and causes a lot of poverty in the area. Also, there's a lot of violence and gangs, civil unrest that goes on, and they have something called Ravsacks that live there, which are child slaves that is still a part of their culture and pretty well accepted in the area. My final paper, I found it pretty difficult, honestly. I struggled finding a way for my paper to flow correctly and what I was going to write it about. Even though I picked the book, it was hard to figure out what exactly I was going to do, so I ended up just taking some of the questions and answering those. Um, so I did struggle a little bit, but surprisingly, I got it done pretty easily with the help of the tutor system, the OWL system that our college offers. Reflecting on the whole project overall, what stuck with me the most was Megan Boudreau's faith during the whole book. I don't know how someone can have that much blind faith, but it is amazing to me, and I wish that I had that kind of faith. I can't imagine being 24 years old and going to a third world country by myself, not knowing the language or anybody there, and God provided the whole time. I like this project because it made me read something that I probably normally wouldn't have picked up. Changes I would make to it personally, I felt like some of the requirements were a little more difficult than they necessarily had to be. But overall, I enjoyed my time in this class. Thank you.